Hey everybody, it's Nabeel coming at you again today. Today I've got for you the Sony SRS-XB23. As you know, Sony likes to refresh their XB speakers, their extra bass speakers, yearly. And this year's version looks like this. This is the XB23. So Sony puts these out in three different sizes. The XB23 is the smallest. Then there's the XB33 and the XB43, which go up in size and in price. The main new feature for this year is what they call the X-Balance speaker. You know how brands come up with a new gimmick every year to refresh their stuff. So they're saying that these speakers are shaped differently, they pack more power for the size. This little guy will cost you $99 to start. These are new, so they may go down in price as time goes on. As you can see here, they fit into a camping chair. That's the purpose of this size. That's the goal for this size. So let's break it open and see what we got. All right, we got this in this sort of army green color. It's got the strap. The strap's got a hook on it. On the back we've got power, Bluetooth, play pause, volume up and down, battery button, party button, and the pair button. You got the Sony logo at the top. On the back you've got this. Back inside here you've got the power. The power input, which is USB Type-C. They provide you with that cable. This goes in here, and this will go into a USB charger, or you can put a brick on it and plug it into a wall. This is the 32, XB32 from last year. So as you can see, the 32 is a little bit bigger than the 23 from this year. It was more of the triangular shape, which was meant to rest like this, or you could stand it up. For size comparison from 2 years ago, this was the XB41. So this is the next size up, 41, 32, and here we have the 23. It's 4.32 size-wise. And of course, if you want something super huge, you got this big guy, which also has an extra bass. This is, I think, XB90. Not very portable though, like the others. This is dustproof, waterproof, shockproof. It's got an IP67 rating. I think it can be submerged up to a meter for like 30 minutes. It is saltwater resistant. I wouldn't put it in saltwater if it was me though. New colors that Sony has this year, we've got light green, taupe blue, and red. Okay, so what you got in the box, you got this, you got the charging cable, and you got paperwork, limited warranty information, charging and use information. It's double-sided, and it's just pictures. So you don't have to worry about it not being in your language. Hopefully you can read pictograms. Just the owner's manual. So let's try it out, see how it sounds. One thing to point out is that the XB23 does not light up. It doesn't use the Fiestable app. So you're only going to use the Sony Music Center app for this. And the only reason that you would even use that is you can control whether or not you're using the extra bass feature. You can control some other things like what audio codec you're using. There's a couple of things you can use that app for. You don't need the app. You can do basic functions just with this right here. As far as battery life goes, this will last up to 12 hours, and if you're using extra bass, up to 10 hours. And of course, they qualify that by saying it depends on your environment that you're using it in. So that's this guy right here. If you want the party lights on your speaker, you're going to have to upgrade to the XB23 or XB43. This is the Sony SRS-XB23. You can get this at Best Buy or other outlets. Suggested retail price $99.99. I hope you liked this video. I enjoyed making it for you, and I'll catch you on the next video.